Here's how to fix a black screen on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now here you can see I have my Samsung Galaxy, and let's say you're trying to turn it on or tap on it and it doesn't work. It won't turn on. There are two things that you can do to definitely get that fixed. The first thing that you're going to do is just get a charging cable. Sometimes this sounds simple, but it just needs to be charged for a while. So plug in your Android Samsung phone and charge it for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes and wait to see if it automatically turns on. If it doesn't automatically turn on after 20 minutes of charging, that's no problem. The next thing we're going to do is press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So when you press and hold on those, you can see in my case it turns on, but of course yours won't. But just keep pressing and holding on those, and you don't need to use the touch screen. You can see the screen goes completely black, and then it will go through the process of rebooting. And after it does reboot, it should work normally with this screen working. So you can see when you see that Samsung Galaxy logo, lift your fingers off. Again, volume down and power button at the same time. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.